Shushagotum everyone, welcome to Bengals This is Seth Hardy and I'm here to announce that we just hit 1 million views on this channel. To celebrate, I don't know what I was gonna think of, but we got Posca Markers here, man. So, if you know me for a long time, I'm a big fan of the Hardy Boys, man, Jeff Hardy, and especially I could relate a lot more with Jeff. He's an enigma, he does his face paints and he uses Posca Markers, which I have right here. So actually, shout out to Maga, man. Shout out to Eddie Fatu. He originally suggested Jeff Hardy to start using Posca Markers. By the way, this is not sponsored, so this is a very genuine video, just like all the other videos on my channel. But this time, I'm using my phone, but I'm using the front cam so that I'm able to see myself and do the face paint and talk at the same time. So let's go. Let's start with blue. Wow. It's kind of sharp. To use this one, this is kind of like orange. Let's see. I like this side more than this side, but not sure, I'm gonna fix it up, maybe. All the colors are not working, so I'm sorry. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, This is the best I can do right now. Let's see. Man, I wish, I had like black and white and more colors here. It's not, I can only do so much, I don't have a lot of options here. But yeah, man, this is what you get. Maybe yellow. Please start working now. Let me try this one. I'm still using my front camera here. So this is the final finish of the face paint. I must say I used a combination of this because it had the white and black colors, and of course the Posca Markers really helped me to keep on track. You can see 1M, which is 1 million views, and this is the celebration video for my YouTube channel. Before we just wrap this up, I have something to show to you. Are you guys ready? Ta-da! This is the Bengals Championship. This is S for my name, Saf, H for Hardy, and as you can see, Bengals Saf Hardy. Yeah, man, if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this crazy whatever face paint this is, subscribe to Bengals like the video, it really helps out the channel, and until then, take care, stay safe, bye.